Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a peanut butter smoothie. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 1/2 cup of your favorite peanut butter and 1 ripe banana for natural sweetness. Then, grab 1 cup of milk, whether it's dairy or a plant-based alternative, and about 1/2 cup of ice cubes to ensure a perfectly chilled drink. A touch of honey or maple syrup is optional for extra sweetness. Now that you have all your ingredients ready, it's time to blend. Carefully add the peanut butter, banana, milk, ice, and any optional sweeteners into your blender. Make sure the lid is securely fastened. Begin blending on a low setting, then gradually increase to high speed. Continue blending until the smoothie reaches a perfectly smooth and creamy consistency, which usually takes about 30 to 60 seconds. One of the best things about smoothies is how easy they are to customize. Feel free to add a scoop of protein powder for an extra boost, or a 1/4 cup of rolled oats for a thicker, more filling drink. For added nutrients, try a tablespoon of chia seeds or a handful of fresh spinach. You won't even taste it. Experiment with different milks or sweeteners to find your perfect combination. Once your peanut butter smoothie is perfectly blended, it's time to enjoy. Pour it into your favorite glass. If you like, you can add a small garnish, perhaps a sprinkle of chopped peanuts or a drizzle of extra peanut butter on top. This smoothie is best enjoyed immediately to savor its fresh, creamy texture. Any leftovers can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 1 day, though it's always best fresh.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.